Aria attributes genuinely add real accessibility information HTML alone can't express, for cases semantic tags don't fully cover. In this video you'll use real aria attributes correctly. Role is equal to button genuinely tells assistive tech this real div should be treated as an actual button, though a real button tag is genuinely always preferred when possible. Aria-label genuinely provides a real accessible name when the visible content, like and times symbol, doesn't actually convey clear meaning on its own. Aria-live genuinely tells screen readers to announce real content changes inside this element automatically, without requiring actual focus. Role genuinely tells assistive tech what an element's real actual purpose is. Aria-label genuinely provides an accessible name when visible text doesn't convey it. Prefer real native semantic HTML tags over aria roles whenever genuinely possible. Add an appropriate real aria-label to an icon-only button in your project. Ready to structure a real page with HTML5 semantic sectioning?